Hello. So we have a problem here today, how to solve this type of differential equation. So you can look at this problem, the solution of the system of differential equations. You are given two equations. Okay, let me just show you the problem. So this is the problem we have in your hand. dy by dx is equals to y minus d of z, and this dz by dx is equals to minus 4y plus z. मैं ये writing क्या बहुत बता रहा हूँ. So how can you solve this kind of problem? You know what you can do? D dx. This is an operator, so you can write it as d. Okay, now let's try to solve this for you guys. Okay, we'll solve it on the next page because the black background is. What is given to us? Dy. We are starting this here. Dy dx is equals to y minus x. So as you have taken d dx is equals to d. So what we can write? We can write dy dx as d into y. Okay. So this will become d minus 1 into y. This y is taken on the left hand side, and what is left on the other side? You can take plus z. This is equals to 0. So we have written the first equation by taking d dx as an operator d. I hope you can see it. Next, dz dx minus 4y plus z. So dz dx, so that is d of z, right? D of z plus 4y minus z. So we can easily write it d minus 1 into z. Okay, now we are keeping the similar terms aside. So d minus 1 into z plus 4y is equals to 0. This is equation number 1. Question 2. We have to find out that what is the solution. The solution is given in terms of y. So what we can do, we can just remove the dependency of z. So to do that, we can just multiply 1 by d minus 1, and if you multiply 2 by 1, then what are you getting? This will give you d minus 1 whole square into y plus d minus 1 into z is equals to 0. Why we are multiplying this? This will be revealed in this value. So d minus 1 into z plus 4y is equals to 0. Now we get equation 3 and equation 4. Now we can say if you subtract these equations, like if you subtract 4 from 3, what you will get? This d minus 1 into z is cancelled. So you are left with d minus 1 whole square minus 4 into y is equals to 0. Simple. So what is this? This is nothing but d square minus d plus 1 minus 4. So minus 3 into y is equals to 0. Is it not well to you? This equation is in a familiar form, right? D square minus 2d minus 3 into y. So let me just write it in terms of the d square y by dx square minus 2 into dy dx, because d capital D we have taken as d dx, minus 3 is equals to 0. This is a linear second order homogeneous differential equation. So first of all, how can I do this? So how can we get the solution? We can just write auxiliary equation, m square minus 2m minus 3 is equals to 0. Now you know how to solve this particular equation. Minus 3, so minus 3 plus 1. So this will give you m minus 3 m plus 1. एक बार क्रॉस चेक कर लेते हैं. m square minus 3m plus m minus 2m and minus 3. Okay. So two values of m we are getting. One is 3, another one is minus 1. So we can write y is equals to c1 into e to the power m1x e to the power 3x plus c2 e to the power minus x. So these two solutions we are getting, right? Now what you can do, we have to find out the solution in terms of y, and from the first equation you can see what is given to us. D minus 1 into y is equals to z, or z is equals to y minus dy dx. So we can write z, therefore z is equals to y minus dy upon dx. So this is equals to how much? Y is equals to this. So let's write it. We'll change the coefficient later on. Now if you take the derivative with respect to r, with respect to x, so minus 3c1 e to the power 3x minus plus c2 e to the power minus x. Now you can just collect the coefficient. So minus 2c1, okay, e to the power 3x plus 2c2 e to the power minus x. So let me just look at the option minus 2c1. Okay, so y is equals to, we have got c1 e to the power 3x plus c2 e to the power minus x. C1 e to the power, c2 e to the power. So c1 and c2 are taking at a and b. Okay, so in the first option you can see it is DQ, right? Yes. Here it is matching. Y of x is matching. First part is matching. But is there anything? Okay, in C, option C also. Okay. So in all option y values are same. So we have to go for the zx. Zx minus 2. A is C1 here, B is C2. Okay. Let's take to match our answer. A equals to C1 and B equals to C2. So we'll have z of x as minus 2a e to the power 3x plus 2b e to the power minus x. Let's see if it is matching. Yes, so it is matching with option A. Okay, so option A is the correct option for this question. So I hope you have understood this problem very good. So this is a special type of problem. If in future this type of problem appears in your examination, you can do it. Guys, before stopping the video, let me just tell you, you can just follow me on Academy. You can just search it with my name, Sahin Sorifi. All my courses. You can have a look at my courses by visiting this URL on academy.com/physics, and you can read this detailed course on mathematical physics, classical mechanics, electromagnetism. You will get almost all the 90 days of CSIR-NET global science syllabus. There are a lot of benefits of taking an NIT plus subscription. Some of them have been listed here. You can just pause and read these benefits. And guys, price rise of up to 20% is coming soon. So if you are willing to take or planning to take the subscription, take it by 31st of May, very soon, and utilize this referral code physics house to get the maximum benefits. Currently, this type of subscription plans are there, but in future, this is going to be increasing. So take it right now. You can utilize our referral code physics house for getting the maximum benefits while taking the subscription. So this is all for this video. Thank you very much. See you next video.